Have you made any video related to your product's demonstration? Have you made any video related to expert views about your product? Have you prepared any video to make your audience understand that how your products have been produced? That means behind the scene video, maybe behind the scene at your factory. Yes, video marketing strategy is very essential when we talk about digital media marketing. In this video of video marketing strategies, I will talk to you all about some statistics, how video marketing strategies have been so useful to even small business owners and they have grown a lot in their international business.
For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Avani Agrawal and video marketing strategy is very essential, and for that I will talk to you about types of video marketing strategies, metrics which you can use in your video marketing strategies, and ultimately the usage of video marketing strategies to increase your traffic on website and social media pages. So please have a look at this PPT and let's understand the importance of video marketing. So let's talk about video marketing statistics. So according to this survey in USA, 3,000 consumers were surveyed and this result came. 44% of the audience said that they would prefer to watch more content through video over emails and social images. Sometimes vlogs have been also considered for as in preference to read something, but video has gained the maximum preference among the consumer to get the information. Yes, sometimes they would even prefer to have PDF content, maybe for user manual or maybe for detailed information about the product. So video marketing is very essential. Through lot of statistics, it has been observed that people would prefer to watch more videos than text messages or maybe text information or maybe text catalog because it is more interactive. Plus, short videos have been preferred as in most used version to get more visual. So in my next slide, I will talk to you about types of video marketing which you can use. So first type of video marketing is, so when we talk about categories of video marketing, it can be divided into two parts, that is awareness stage and consideration stage. Awareness stage means the initial or introduction stage of your organization. If you are just entering into international market in one country and you just want to create an awareness among your importers and potential buyers, you can use these four categories of video marketing strategies to get awareness in the market. First one is explainer video. Explainer videos are short online marketing videos that can be used to explain your company's product or services. Explainer videos are often placed on landing page of your website's homepage or prominent product page. So maybe you can put explainer video on the first page of your website itself, on your YouTube page itself, and your Facebook page itself. Educational video is a second category of an awareness stage video in which you can put some lecture video, talking video, on location lecture video, or maybe a small kind of a light board video to create an awareness about your product usage among the potential importers. Animated videos are the most important kind of a video to attract the attention of your viewers. So animated videos are created with original designs, drawings, illustration or computer generated effects that have been made to move in an eye-catching way using any number of artistic styles. Although they may integrate live action video, they don't require any live action recording to convey an idea or a story. So a lot of importers are even using animated videos for their product and demonstration and to showcase the product features. Brand videos are all about creating branding awareness, maybe with the help of some celebrities or with the help of some models. So these four categories of videos you can use initially to create awareness among your market. Next category of the video marketing strategies are for consideration stage. In case of consideration stage, you are already being placed in importing market, but you want to expand yourself, you want to grow yourself in importing market. So here you can use testimonial videos, which are very useful. A testimonial video is used when customer speaks about their experience, positive experience in video format. So instead of traditional review, a video testimonial has customer appearance on video to discuss the product and give positive feedback about the product. So testimonial videos are very essential for your social media pages because it will create trust among the viewers. Second category of consideration stage videos are demo video. A demo video is a kind of a short video for product demonstration. For example, showing how to use a software, or maybe giving advice that how to use some technical or electronic gadgets, or maybe you are explaining complex topic about your product or maybe features about your product with the help of demonstration video. So it is kind of a practical exhibition of how something works to educate your viewers. So demonstration video will give detailed information about your product to your importers. Third category of consideration stage video is event video. So event video is all about doing videography of some of the events which you have already done for business development in importing market. So for example, if your company's representatives are visiting importing market and they are getting some live events to get more awareness about your product, you can capture those events. Or maybe you have participated in any of the international trade fairs, you can do live video from those international trade fairs to showcase the information about your trade fair and about your trade fair activities, promotion, and also you can showcase your booth with the help of live video event. So it is very essential to put all this type of events on your social media pages, maybe on your LinkedIn page. It will capture the attention of your importer. Fourth category of consideration stage video is expert interview. So sometimes some experts who are already into your industry, who are using your product and they have given some information about the product, you can put them on your video marketing campaign. And events and live videos are integral part of a video marketing campaign. So here I have talked to you all about types of videos which you can put in on your all the pages on your all digital marketing, and you can grab attention of your viewer. Here is a process which is very simple, that how you should design and create your video. So as we all are connecting through YouTube only and through video only, you can understand the importance of creating video. So you can first define your target audience, then define what is the objective, whether your objective is to create awareness or you want to grow or you want to expand your market. Then you decide the budget to write or to design the entire video. Then you need to write the script and you need to edit, and finally you can do broadcasting of your video. So this is how you can follow the entire process of video creation. So video creation is not only the one thing, you need to do optimization of your videos as well to improve the reach. As we have done optimization of website through SEO, you can also do optimization of your video through some catchy title, through some tags, and maybe through some keywords. So it is very essential. So video ads are also very important. So, you have observed at various points when you are viewing your YouTube video, some ads are coming in between. So you can use this type of ads in importing market. So for example, you want to do export in Singapore, you can do video marketing advertisement in Singapore, maybe for your small advertisement about product. You can use bumper video, you can use non-skippable videos to get more views. So this type of YouTube ads may also give you more lenders on your website as well. And last slide here, I will talk about various KPI to measure that all this efforts you have put in to create a video, whether it has given you proper mileage or not. So here are the various matrices which you can check: engagement metrics, play rate, view count, social sharing, conversion rate. All these matrices will give you proper analysis that whether your video marketing campaign had been useful or not. So with this note, I'm ending my video of video marketing strategy. So I hope you have gone through the entire series of digital marketing for exporters, and in this 10th series of digital marketing for international business, we have tried to give you all the information to increase your export business with small investment in digital marketing. I request you all to stay connected to our YouTube channel to get more information about industry related videos.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.